contact lenses. Manufacturers started commercially producing them in the 1970s. Up until then, if you were short or long-sighted, your choice was pretty much the shape and color of your frames. Now, for many, it's a choice of hard or soft lenses. But what's the difference? Hard lenses are rigid and are designed to fit an individual eye perfectly. So, to begin with, the patient's eyes are measured with a keratograph. Although eyes might appear to be perfectly smooth, on a microscopic level they have an irregular surface. In fact, your retina and iris is as unique as your fingerprints. Hard lenses start out as these sticks of plastic. They're loaded into a grinding machine, and the patient's eye data is fed into the computer that controls it. First, the diamond grinder mills out the lens's diameter. Then the inside is shaped to fit the patient's unique pattern. Given the delicate nature of the eye, this is essential. When it's been shaped, the lens is cut off the rod. At this stage, the lens would fit on the eye, but the wearer wouldn't be able to see anything. As this manufacturer makes lenses for hundreds of people at a time, they have to make sure the lenses are kept in the right order so they don't get mixed up. The lens is glued to a stud so it can be mounted onto the grinding machine. This computer has the patient's eye prescription stored. It controls the diamond drill, which passes over the outside of the lens twice. Once to achieve the right thickness, and again for the exact curvature. And there it is, the tiny item that makes the difference between blurred vision and a clear view. An alternative to hard lenses are soft ones that adapt themselves to the eye. They're cheaper and more convenient for some users as they're disposable. They start out as a plastic liquid. A blue dye is added which helps users find the lenses when they drop them. The mix is poured into plastic molds. A cover is put on top, and it's baked at 97 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Each lens needs to be checked for scratches and cracks. At this stage, they're rigid, so each one is placed in a saline solution where they absorb the liquid, making them soft. Once sterilized with a further blast of heat, they're ready. And for those who want their eye color to match their handbag, the soft lenses come in a variety of tints. They're held in a brace and then dipped in dye. So instead of just choosing the color of your frames, you can now choose the color of your eyes too.